Okay, everyone, example number 4, determine the equation of a line. This is from section 7.2, the general form of an equation. We're going to take a look at 2 examples. We're going to write an equation in general form for each line described. A line with x-intercept of 5 and no y-intercept, and a horizontal line passing through the point -3 and -4. Okay, so for our first example, a line with x-intercept of 5 and no y-intercept. Let's plot our x-intercept. It is at 5 and 0, right? Those would be the coordinates for our x-intercept. Now, it doesn't have a y-intercept, which means it doesn't cross over the y-axis, and so we need to graph a line that is parallel to the y-axis, because any other kind of line is going to cross over. So we draw in a parallel line to the y-axis. So our equation then is just simply going to be x equals 5, okay? And because we want to put it in general form, we want to move the 5 over to the left and set our equation equal to 0, right? And by moving the 5 over to the left, it becomes negative. So x minus 5 equals 0. And as you can see from the graph, it gives us a vertical line. And we can label our line as x equals 5. And if you want, you can also label it as x minus 5 equals 0. I'm okay with either way. Okay, so our second example, a horizontal line passing through the point -3 and -4. So let's plot our point, -3 and -4. That will give us a horizontal line through that point. As you can see, our y-intercept is at 0 and -4. And so we can write an equation where y is equal to -4. Okay, and if we want to write this in general form, we want to move the -4 over to the left. It becomes positive. And set our equation equal to 0. And if you recall from last class, we called this a constant function. Okay, and this gives us a horizontal line. Okay, even if you were not told that this was horizontal, you would know that because it's a constant function. Okay, and we will label our line y equals -4, and if you like, of course, you can label it as y plus 4 equals 0. Either one is fine with me. Okay, so this concludes this example.